Now in this video, I am explaining the definitions chord, diameter and tangent of the circle. So first definition, chord. Chord means, so first let us take one circle. This is the circle. Now just I am drawing one line which passes through any 2 points of the circle. Just I draw one line that passes through any 2 points of the circle. That is called the chord of the circle. Now this is the chord. Here this is the center. Center of the circle, chord of the circle. Chord means the line which passes through any 2 points on the circle is called the chord of the circle. The line which passes through any 2 points of the circle is called the chord. And next definition, diameter. Diameter means the chord which passes through the center of the circle is called the diameter of the circle. So this is the diameter. So AB is the chord of the circle and CD is the diameter of the circle. The difference between the chord and diameter is, chord means that is the line not passing through the circle and not passing to the center, and diameter means that is the chord which passes through the center. So chord definition and diameter definition. And next one, tangent. Tangent means the line which touches the circle at only one point is called the tangent of the circle. Now the line which touches the circle at only one point. The line which touches the circle at only one point is called the tangent. Chord means the line which passes through any 2 points of the circle, and diameter means the chord which passing through the center, and tangent means the line which touches the circle at only one point. Now the chord divides the circle into 2 segments. This is called the major segment and this is called the minor segment. The chord divides the circle into 2 segments. This is the major segment and this is the minor segment. And this is just I am drawing the diameter here, AB. AB is the line, AB is the chord that passes through the center of the circle, and this diameter divides the circle into 2 equal parts. So these 2 are the equal parts and each part is called the semicircle. Now just I take one point on the semicircle and we joining the point P to the end points of the diameter. Okay, this is the semicircle. On the semicircle, I am taking one point here and joining the point to the end points of the diameter. Now clearly we know that the angle in a semicircle is equal to 90 degrees. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. That is, these 2 lines are perpendicular to each other. So here AP is perpendicular to BP. AP is perpendicular to BP, and let x is equals to x1 y1 and b is equals to x2 y2, and the coordinates of p is equals to x comma y. Just we are taking 3 points as like that. A is equal to x1 y1, b is equals to x2 y2, p is equal to x comma y. AB is the diameter of the circle, p is the any point in the semicircle. Since AP is perpendicular to BP, these 2 lines are perpendicular to each other, means product of slopes is equals to minus 1. That is, m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. Where m1 is equals to slope of the line AP and m2 is equals to slope of the line BP. Now what is m1 value? m1 is equal to slope of the line AP. Slope is equals to y minus y1 by x minus x1. Y minus y1 by x minus x1 into m2. M2 is equal to slope of the line BP. That is, y minus y2 by x minus x2 is equals to minus 1. So product of slopes is equal to minus 1. Now by taking the cross product, y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equals to minus of x minus x1 into x minus x2, which implies y minus y1 into y minus y2 plus x minus x1 into x minus x2 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle with x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the extremities of a diameter. Next problem. Find the equation of the circle whose endpoints of diameter are 1, 2, 4, 6. Find the equation of the circle. We have to find the equation of the circle whose endpoints of the diameter are 1, 2, 4, 6. So given that, so we are taking these 2 points as x1, y1 and x2, y2. So the first point x1, y1 is equals to 1, 2 and x2, y2 is equals to 4, 6. Now, what is the equation of the circle with x1, y1 and x2, y2 as endpoints of the diameter? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. That is the formula. X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equals to 0. That is x minus 1 into x minus 4. Okay, x1 is equals to 1 and x2 is equal to 4 plus y minus y1. Y minus 2 into y minus 6 is equals to 0. Y1 is equal to 2, y2 is equal to 6. Now we are taking the product. X squared minus 6 minus 4x plus 4. Just I am taking the product of these two values plus y squared minus 2y minus 6y plus 12 is equal to 0. That is x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 6 minus 5x minus 2y minus 6y minus 8y 4 plus 12 16 is equal to 0, which is the required answer.